Hello everyone, welcome back to Technic Force Learning. In this video, I'll show you how to use Quora Spaces for marketing. Let's get started. Ever wonder if Quora might be a valuable channel for marketing your brand? Quora, the question and answer platform, counts more than 300 million monthly unique visitors. That's an impressive reach you may not want to ignore. While there are a number of benefits to using Quora for marketing, this video focuses on a specific feature of the platform called Quora Spaces. Let's look at what Spaces are, and then explore how to use Quora Spaces for marketing businesses and brands. First, what is Quora Spaces? Quora Spaces is a newer feature that enables you to create communities and curate collections around specific topics of interest. It's similar to Facebook groups. But the difference is not everyone who belongs to the space can contribute content. If you own the group, you can contribute content and choose others who are allowed to contribute. Those who follow the space can share, but not contribute content including Quora answers and articles from the web. Spaces are a valuable way to distribute your own content and improve off-page SEO by providing links back to your website. That being said, the overarching goals with Spaces are to build a good community and share quality content, not heavily promote your business or spam the community with links. So here's how to use Quora Spaces for your marketing. First, publish original content. Your space is an excellent place to contribute content written by you or your brand, as long as it is relevant to the topic of the space. For example, cooking, exercise, or travel. Whether long form or short form, original content gives you the opportunity to share your perspective or expertise with the community, as well as link back to your website where appropriate. Take note that you want to keep links to a minimum here, as overuse could cause followers to view your space as purely promotional, which lowers the value and could affect your audience. Remember, using Quora Spaces for marketing is not about selling your products and services, although there are some spaces for that, as I've mentioned earlier, but about positioning yourself or your brand as the expert in your industry and as a source of rich information followers will look to again and again. Next, share others' interesting content. In Quora Spaces, you can also share relevant articles or Quora answers you think followers will be interested in reading. Before you pass along this type of content, ask yourself if what you are sharing adds value to the community. This is not the right venue for promoting affiliates or your friends' brands, but rather an active group of environment you can use as a tool to reach more of your audience with helpful information. While this does not directly impact sales, it does help create some brand awareness and build your off-page presence. And lastly, encourage followers to share content and comments. While contributing your own content and sharing others' content adds value to the community, it's equally important to get followers in on the action. Regularly encouraging your community to share articles and soliciting responses on articles being shared goes a long way in establishing your space as an informative, lively, and valuable environment. It also empowers followers to initiate discussions, enriching the space for everyone involved. In conclusion, Quora Spaces offers various of marketing opportunities in a community setting that encourages conversation. So it's also helpful for brands that want to learn more about potential customers. All that aside, keep in mind, your followers are not coming to the space for your sales pitch, but rather to learn something, ask something, or help someone else understand something. Operate under those principles, and your Quora space can become an awesome venue for brand growth. And there you have it, how to use Quora Spaces for marketing. And before this video ends, did you know that your business needs more high-quality traffic? Unlock a fresh and high-quality traffic source that 99% of your competition hasn't exploited. And that is VidScribe AI by Technic Force. Transcribe, translate, and redub your videos in local languages with VidScribe AI. It's the easiest organic traffic boost you'll ever get this year, with 3 easy steps. Step 1. Feed it. Feed VidScribe AI videos from your YouTube or your PC. Step 2. Upload it. Upload your converted videos. And step 3, rip it. Watch the traffic flow in from fresh sources. So what are you waiting for? Try VidScribe AI right now. Go to vidscribe.in. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.